Okay, let's just send an email to user if he completes his registration. So if we just go to our terminal and if we just visit PHP artisan, and then you can see inside our make, and then we have a make mail. It just create a new email class. Let's just use it, how we can use it. So if I just say PHP artisan make mail, and for in our case, for example, welcome. Okay, mail is created. So we just go to our inside app, we have mail folder, and then it contains the welcome. There it is, right? And basically you can see in our build method that's referring to the view and the view name, right? And we'll just create a new view here real quick. If we just go to resources, views, and then create new folder, call it emails, and the name of the email is file is, for example, welcome.blade.php. okay, let's just add some text. For example, welcome. Okay, I can also use for example HTML markup to manage this stuff. And then for example our project name. Okay, and then if I just go back again to my welcome, and let's just update the view. In our case, this is emails.welcome, and we don't need to use the add blade.php. It will just add it automatically. So we have to say emails and then welcome, right? That's it. And yeah, env also looks good. And finally, we need to refer the route. Okay, let's go to route, and then say, for example, send an email. And we can also use a controller. Let's just create a controller real quick. Mail controller index method, right? And if you just go to my terminal, and then let's create a controller, PHP artisan make controller. For example, we need a mail controller. Okay, just go back and open my HTTP controllers, and we might create it. Let's just check it. Okay, there it is. After refreshing, we just received the mail controller. Okay, it's created. Now what next? We need to create the index method. So if I just create it real quick, index, and that should return us. Okay, index method, basically if we just say, for example, die and dump, or want to echo hello, and then if we just go back and reload the page, and when we just visit the send route, it says hello. Now instead of hello, we want to send an email. How we can do it? First, we need to use the mail facade, okay? And we'll pass to whom we want to send. Basically, we want to use the mail here. Okay, that's good. So here we want to send it to the user. For example, after registration, we can get the user email, for example. That's something like that. Just send it to the user, and for example, user could be something like john@example.com. okay, and then just send it to the user, and then we can say send, and which class you want to use. Basically, you can say new welcome. Okay, and the welcome is inside app mail, and then welcome. Okay, let's just give it a try. Reload the page. Okay, class is not found. Okay, let's just sort out this error. For example, I think we don't need to use this here. We'll just say use, and then app mail, and then we have welcome. Okay, let's just give it a shot. Reload the page. There it is. Okay, we just received email, right? This is basically from, and this is from to, right? Okay, that's great, because this is our from address in our env. Okay, and then in our mail controller, this is our to email, right? That's good. But we can also check the source and raw, right? And this is not complete. Basically, for example, for some reason we just need some templating here, for some markdown here, a good interface to send an email. And how we can do it? Basically Laravel provides us a markdown, and we just use it in our next video. See you there.